This video poster presents a book about Australasian tektites. It contains 42 chapters, as well as a dictionary and a reference list. After watching each video poster, you can download relevant chapters for detailed readings, using the link in the description below. The Khorat Plateau is a plateau in the northeastern region of Thailand. The average elevation is 200 meters and it covers an area of about 155,000 square kilometers. The mountains in the west are up to 1,200 meters above sea level, and the lowest point is 110 meters, at the rivers T and Mun confluence of the Mekong. The plateau is divided by the Phu Phan Mountains into two basins, the northern Sakon Nakhon Basin, and the southern Khorat Basin. The red areas are high terraces. If a celestial impact took place here, evidence, other than a crater should exist. The plateau is tilted towards the southeast, and drained by the Chi and Mun rivers, tributaries to the Mekong. The Khorat Basin is enclosed by the Phu Phan Range to the northeast, the Phetchabun Mountains and the Dong Phaya Yen Mountains in the west, the Sankambang Range in the southwest, and the Phnom Dangrek Range in the south. The image shows the setting of the Khorat Plateau geology. The basic sandstone formations are deposited like a stack of plates with ages from Jurassic to Tertiary. The high terraces have been described in different ways, as relict river terraces and as relicts from major flooding. The high terraces are 40 to 60 meters deep and consist of pebbles, gravels of quartz, chert, andesite, sandstone, sand, etc. On top is deposited a loess-like sediment of clays to fine sands with reddish color. This sediment is also known as Yasathon soil. This morphology is not in line with river terraces. Also, they are only on one side of the Mun and Chi rivers with no elevation on their hind side. Also, the Yasathon soil shows no fluvial structures, but a homogeneous layer of sediments with gravel and splash-formed tektites at the bottom. Probably commenced by sedimentation in a vertical direction, indicated by broken grains and the lack of fluvial structures. The Yasathon soil contains glass shards, mini tektites and carbonized wood pieces. And specifically quartz grains in fine to very fine silt sizes, a sediment not found elsewhere in the Mekong River. The lower terraces, between the high terraces and the tributary rivers Mun and Chi, are exposed in numerous gravel pits. Above bedrock, the cross-sections are dominated by gravel and sand with chaotically occurrences of carbonized tree trunks, pure sulfur deposits and fine, to very fine silt quartz grains in clumps. Also splash-formed tektites are found. Low terrace gravel pit with carbonized wood, pure sulfur, iron concretions, chert, and comminuted gray, fine to very fine silt quartz grains in clumps.